So in the third video in this series, we're going to look at how we can select the data from a table. So this initially, we're going to select all of the columns or all of the fields of data from this table. And as we found in the last exercise, there are a large number of rows of data in this table, so we're going to limit what we read to 10. So this will just give us an idea of what's at the top of this table of data. So again, we're going to be able to execute the query using the execute query function. So we are going to read customers this time. So I'm going to make a variable called customers, and that will store the result of execute query. And in the brackets this time, we're going to give it an SQL query. Again, we're using select because we're wanting to read something from the database, and we will this time say select star. So select star being a wildcard and meaning everything from that database. So we're going to select all columns from that database, or all fields from that database, and we're reading from the customer database. As we said, we're going to limit this to 10 records so that we don't just wait forever. And also possibly crash our system because it can't cope with it. So let's just run that and see what happens. What have I done wrong? Customers. It's saying that sales customer doesn't exist, and that's because it's customers. So let's put an S at the end of there. I gave it the wrong table name, and it's telling me that that table name's wrong. So we've got here a list of the customers, and judging by the fact that we've got so many Aarons, we can see why there are so many customers in this table. Again, that's giving us a list, difficult to read because we're going along. So let's put a for loop in for customer in customers, print customers, print, and this time we're going to print customer because we're going to just print one customer per line. It'll give us something that's a little bit easier to read. And we could then go on to maybe print a customer's name, first name and surname, so that we've got something useful to do with it.